And here's what you get when you cut a 45-degree angle right. Now, my camera ran out of time before I could show you the final cut. But like I was saying, keep your board up against your fence. Make sure that you have this on this little arrow here, this little red arrow. Make sure you have it on 45 degrees on both sides. Now, like I said, if you cut your first 45-degree angle to the left of you, on the left side of your miter saw, cut your second angle on the right side. Depending on your saw, I don't know if all saws are like mine that have two 45-degree angles. You'll just have to play around and see. But just keep practicing until you get it. Please rate, comment, and subscribe for more. Bye.